Meaning of eco-friendly.
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 Eco-friendly. Eco-friendly refers to products, services, or policies that have a minimal impact on the environment and promote sustainability. This includes reducing waste, conserving resources, and avoiding harmful chemicals. By being eco-friendly, we can reduce our carbon footprint and preserve natural resources for future generations. Adopting eco-friendly practices can lead to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future. It's important to incorporate eco-friendly habits into our daily lives, such as recycling, using energy-efficient appliances, and using reusable products. Small actions can have a big impact on the environment.